He's not doing it. Did you get that?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh my god, they're both doing it.
It is fun. Dancing birds. That yellow ass fish. Look, come on, let's go look at more fish.
I don't know what I'm doing.
These fish are stupid. One of the employees just walked by and looked at you hella weird.
I don't care.
Bad. It's called Singer Magigs. And you just, yeah.
They didn't have diapers. Did they actually poop? Look, it goes.
Yeah, it glows yellow when it's poo-poos. Or pee-pees.
Those things.
That hella creeped me out. I didn't even do anything. I just walked by. Like, can we leave? Wait, why do they have vacuum cleaners for children?
It's awesome.
Children are lazy. They probably don't even work. Look.
Hello?
Stupid phone doesn't work. Remember we bought one once for somebody?
Those are stupid.
The battery, it honestly lasts 5 minutes. It tells you in the instruction 5 minutes.
Less than 5 hours. An hour.
It's not even an hour. Okay, we got 5 minutes.
Was it me?
A whole bunch of helmets fell on me because this bitch just like threw them at me.